just catch up to this guy in the Kia. Alright, we're caught up. That never, ever, ever gets old. What is up, guys? My name is Cass Levinson. Today I am in my buddy's 2015 Corvette Z06 as a 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Producing 650 horsepower and the same number in torque. That was a very high number. I cannot repeat what that was. Yeah, so 0 to 60 in this car is about 3 seconds. So, and thank God this is the manual. This car actually belongs to a good buddy of mine, Zach Weintraub, who you might recognize as Watch Me Be Zach on Instagram, so definitely give him a follow. He also owns a 2017 GTR, a very green BMW M4 with white wheels, which was actually at the SEMA show a couple of weeks ago. He's the owner of Nerd Performance in Fort Myers, Florida, so definitely check them out. And before you guys ask, will it do a burnout? The answer is yes. Very easily. The transmission in this car is very nice. The throws are nice and short. The clutch, I'm so surprised at how light the clutch is. Let's catch up to this guy in the Kia. Alright, we're caught up. Okay, I'll admit, this is my first time ever driving a Z06. And one thing about some cars that I don't like is when there's too many of a certain car. Like, there's so many Mustangs and so many Corvettes. But once you drive them, you understand why that is. You know, they're great cars. You're getting 650 horsepower. Again, the same as a Ferrari Enzo. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Same as Ferrari 488. And top speed of around 200 miles an hour. Again, for around 80 grand. And one of the best sounding engines ever made. I mean, I really don't see anything wrong with this car. There's a reason why there's so many of these cars, you know, because they're so good. And they are very, you know, somewhat affordable for a lot of people. America has just recently really stepped up their game in the exotic car and sports car market. It really was dominated by pretty much all of Europe, but recently America has really stepped up their game. So we're really catching up now, when we're actually, you know, competitive with some of the European rivals like Porsche and Ferrari and the more expensive cars. But there is one thing though that America's always been good at, and that's making some of the best sounding cars ever. So the new generation Corvette and Corvette Stingray is a huge improvement over the last generation C6 Corvette. You know, those cars are always fun, of course, but this car is a proper performer. The seats in the new one and this car, and even the base Stingray, the seats in that car are amazing. Here they got all this carbon fiber, nice leather stitching everywhere. You know, there's some plastics here and there, obviously, but it's a very nice place to be. This interior feels like an $80,000 interior, while the previous Corvettes didn't feel like that at all. I love the white exterior on the red interior. It looks amazing. The carbon is like this nice matte finish. It really is a huge step up above the last generation C6. Like I said, 650 horsepower, which is a lot. That's 200 more horsepower over the standard Stingray. So it's yeah, it's that. No cops?
No.
Let it rip. We're already doubling the speed limit. Brakes. Okay, so it is, you know, it is a somewhat bigger car. You can kind of feel that, but it's so nimble still. It just, the grip. I think this car has Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires on it, which are just insanely sticky. Yeah, I gotta do it again. Hang on. Second gear. 50. 80. That's 100 right there. All for 75 grand.
And I was like, damn, I need a nap. And now I'm just like, I don't need a nap anymore.
If you go watch Motor Trend's video, this at the time was the second fastest car that they had ever lapped. It was behind the Porsche 918, which is well over $1 million. And like I said, it has that auto rev matching feature, which will blip the throttle and help you on downshifts, which makes you look like you're way better of a driver than you actually are. Sounds so mean. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Big thank you to Zach for letting me drive the car today. I really appreciate it. It's an amazing car. Definitely check out Nerd Performance and at WatchMeBeZach on Instagram. And I hope to be doing a review of his GTR pretty soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.
I think the fuel is really low.
Oh, shit. We're on like 5 miles of fuel. So
oh my god, 5 miles. Holy shit, Cass. Good thing I noticed that.
Oh, damn, bro. Okay, okay, we need to get gas.
Yeah.
All right, hold up. I'll be back. The gas station like assholes. All right.
That dude, brother.